Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to wear an ultra-low waist saree. First, select a blouse that perfectly complements your figure, ending just above your natural waist. Next, choose a petticoat designed to sit low, ideally at or below your hip bones, which is crucial for the ultra-low waist style. Make sure this petticoat is snug, providing a secure base for your drape. Finally, put on your chosen footwear before you start, as this helps in adjusting the saree's length accurately. Now, let's achieve that stunning low-waist look. Start by tucking the plain end of your saree into the petticoat, beginning from your right side. Make sure this first tuck is firm and perfectly aligned with the low waist of your petticoat, wrapping it once around your hips. Before you start making pleats, leave about 1.5 to 2 meters of fabric free. This section will become your elegant pallu, so ensure it's ample for a beautiful drape. Moving on to the pleats, gather about 5 to 7 pleats, aiming for each to be approximately 4 to 5 inches wide. Consistency is key here. Ensure all your pleats are even and neatly aligned for a smooth, flowing look. Once gathered, tuck these pleats securely into your petticoat, positioning them slightly to the left of your navel. This placement helps the pleats fall gracefully and evenly, creating a beautiful, elongated silhouette that truly defines the ultra-low waist style. Finally, let's style the pallu. Take the remaining fabric and drape it elegantly over your left shoulder. Adjust its length so it falls gracefully, ideally reaching your knees or slightly below, which creates a sophisticated and modern aesthetic. To ensure comfort and stability, secure the pallu to your blouse with a decorative pin. You can also experiment with leaving the pallu open for a flowing look or pleating it for a more structured style, truly personalizing your ultra-low-waist saree.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.